Pat from Creative Crafts. This is my introduction video, a new one, because I decided that I was too stiff in my last video, and now that I'm starting to make videos more and more, I'm starting to feel a little more confident about myself. So my YouTube page, what it's about: home decoration, making your own decorations, renovating, and recycling. So many different kind of videos. Also, on holidays times, I will also maybe have some recipes or how to make some certain foods that we do here in Germany. I will do so many nice videos. I will post some pictures of things I've already done. Check out the videos I already had made. Lots of great ideas out there. You don't have to follow mine. Follow your own ideas. You're the creative one too. So this is what my page is all about. It's about recycling with everything from old furniture to tin cans. I also renovate old furniture, old picture frames, and repaint vases. And there's so many different things you can do at your home. If you have something for so long and it just sits there and you say, oh, that looks so dull now, I need some bling or shine to it. Take that thing, repaint it, do whatever you want to do, put ribbon on it. Look on YouTube. It's your friend. YouTube is your friend, and you'll get to find all kinds of videos about it. And you'll have a lot of fun doing it. I have already a few great videos. I'm new on YouTube. Don't know much about how to make videos and stuff. I follow some advice from a few people I follow myself. And like I suggest, it takes time to get your subscribers or likes or views. I think at first I started it, I thought maybe I can make money off of it, and then while I was doing the videos, I decided that's not what I want. I was just having so much fun doing this. It reminds me when I was in school or when I was little. I was always the creative one, or crafty. I always made up things. I love to draw. I love to work with my hands. And no, I'm not Italian. I don't move my hands around because I'm Italian. I may have some Italian in me, but not. I do all the videos myself. I try to look up tips and tricks, what I find on the internet, what you could do to make your videos better, to grab those people. But my videos, I just want people to, when they're looking up for something, I want them to see the things that I do, you know, recycling, what you could do with all these things instead of throwing everything away. So I hope you enjoy my channel. Please always come back, subscribe, and if you have any ideas or comments, just write them below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Thank you.